Internationally acclaimed fitness, yoga, and wellness innovator Lucinda Partee celebrated her 50th milestone birthday in unforgettable style in India. Joined by her husband Ashim Partee, son Krish, and daughters Zara and Ashara, the lavish event was hosted by dear friends Mukesh and Richula Basan at the luxurious Ayushi Farms ***. The star-studded pink carpet affair welcomed A-listers such as Vishal and Payal Bal, Sharad Kohli, Vishal Bal, Abhinav and Purnima Arora, Radhika Mann, Payal Kapoor, Jaswinder Singh, Preeti Vashist, Jatin Oberoi and Linika Kaur, Purnima and Abhimana Arora, and Mr. B. Shawls. With top media and industry insiders in attendance, the night truly shone as a toast was raised to honor Lucinda ***. The evening dazzled with a live performance by Shadab Khan, alongside cocktails and exotic dishes curated by Nishtha and Puneeth of Silver Spoon. The celebration continued into the night, a glamorous and glitzy affair many are calling the most talked about event of the season. Following guests are attended Jatin Oberoi and Linika Kaur, husband and wife, Mr. Mubi Shal's brother, Preeti Vashisht Abhimanav and Purnima Arora, Lucinda's sister Cindy Phuong, Vivek Jain Seema Agarwal, Vinay Sangwan, Mahe Alam, Upasna Saigal, Shivan and Amit Chupta, Nishtha and Puneeth Nagpal from Silver Spoon's Food and Caterers and many more dignitaries.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute pleasure, They say it's 50th. And when I was talking to her a couple of days ago, I said, I can't believe that. Cannot be 50th. I mean, when you look at her, it's definitely not 50th. So, I have jotted down some points, because she's got so much to say, and she's got so much achievements behind her that it's difficult for me to keep them in my mind. So with your permission, I'll pick up some points from the paper I have, and I will love to speak it out in front. Obviously, most of the friends and family, you know her for a long time, and I'm sure you've been part of the journey in some way or the other. But here's a sum up of the journey the way I have known her. Just to give you a brief introduction about myself, I'm Sharad Kohli. I head a business group called KCC, and I have a passion for media, so I appear on all the media platforms and people who watch television and listen to radio regularly. I speak on economics, business and finance. I've been knowing Ash and Lucy for a long time. I'd say it's been 17, 18 years from our days at Amatra when we used to gym together, and no wonder that I ran into her at a gym. The fitness freak that she is. So it's been a really long time, almost 2 decades now. So I would like to say something about her achievements and what she's done until now. A golden moment indeed. 50 years. They say 50 and 60 are the new 20s and 30s these days. That's what we hear these days. So it's just a number. A golden girl. Golden moments, golden year, I would say. And let me just read out some of the things that I could recollect from what she has achieved. She's absolutely extraordinary, there's no doubt about it. A fitness coach, a wellness guru, a certified Bharat Yogacharya from Ministry of Ayush. So she's a yoga coach as well, am I right? Yes. Of the country, of course. There's only one Ministry of Ayush in the country. Let me see if I'm missing out on something. Yes, all that I know is she's transformed countless number of lives through yogas, through fitness. People who were overweight, people who were ill, people who were fed up with their lives as well, because yoga transforms your mind as well. So I think she's done that magic of transforming countless number of lives. I think she must have lost the count by now as to how many people follow her, how many people get inspired by her life. So that's the magic of Lucy here. Of course, I've got some more out here. She's been the ambassador of a lifestyle magazine. She's been the forefront of the magazine, and she's inspired a lot of models, a lot of aspiring models at that particular time. I remember I was connected with the magazine at that time, and I have seen her ambassadorship, shall I say, blossom into a full-fledged personality, and she gave the magazine a new identity. So normally it happens the other way around. It's the ambassador who gets the identity, but She gave magazine the identity because of being the ambassador of the magazine. Apart from that, I think she's won the title of Miss Planet Earth in 2021. Yes, Miss India Planet Earth 2021. I thought there should be a round of applause for every single achievement that she's been doing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I think her persona and her grace. She's been connected to Varun Behel, and she's been, wearing the beautiful attire with poise and grace. I mean, she's given those dresses, those attires, a new definition, I would say. So, if I go on, I can probably go on for the rest of the night, but I've just jotted down a few points where you see many colors of Lucy's personality. Then, of course, her collaboration with Varun Behel I spoke of, she's been showcasing them, and she's been an awesome person. And there's another, where's Ash here? Where's Ash? Yes. Amongst all the professional achievements, amongst all the career achievements, what we forget sometimes is she's been an absolutely fantastic family person. 3 beautiful children, 1 handsome, charming husband. I think she's been absolute blend of balance, career, glamour, fitness, just about anything I think a woman would want. And let me tell you something, because of my social involvements, there's a lot of women I meet, and one common thing which is discussed most of the time by career women is it's very hard to balance your professional life with your career. Either the career is shining or your family life is shining. One of them dims out. But this is one example, ladies and gentlemen, who's shown to the world, and despite being in multiple geographical locations, Dubai, London, Delhi, traveling across, she's balanced them as perfectly as she could. And it's been an inspiration for a number of women, I would say. I'm not sure how many women standing out here would probably admit that, but so that I know that this balance is extremely difficult.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम राधा है और मैं स्किन क्लिनिक चलाती हूँ जिसका नाम बेला सोल है, और ये डिफेंस कॉलोनी में है। और मैं यहाँ लुसिंडा पार्टी के बर्थडे पे आई हूँ, जो कि मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है। और लुसिंडा बहुत अच्छी फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट है, जिनका होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के लिए बहुत परिवर्तन कर रही हैं, योगा को लेकर, हेल्थ को लेकर। और आप उनको देख सकती हैं कि वो इतना हेल्दी जीवन जीती है कि वो इस उम्र में भी इतनी यंग लगती है। सो एज इज़ जस्ट अ नंबर, क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज जैसे होती है। ये एक मिसाल है कि क्रोनोलॉजिकल जो एज होती है हमारी, और जो हम अंदर के ऑर्गन्स जैसे रखते हैं अपने, हमारे ऊपर होता है कि हम अपनी बॉडी को कैसे रखते हैं। तो आई थिंक जैसे इतनी उम्दा पार्टी लुसिंडा ने दी है, ये एक मिसाल है कि आप अपने अंदर के ऑर्गन्स जैसे रखोगे वैसे ही आपका वो होगा। ये 50, 55, 56 इज़ जस्ट अ नंबर। आजकल मैं देखती हूँ 19 साल में भी लोगों को डार्क सर्कल्स होते हैं और सिगरेट पीते हैं और शराब पीते हैं। वो अपना जीवन जो है वो 50 की उम्र का जी रहे हैं। बट लुसिंडा जैसी ही औरत एक मिसाल होती है कि आप 50 के होकर भी अपने अंदर के ऑर्गन्स को आप 19 का रख सकते हो। एंड यू कैन कम्प्लीटली लुक एट हर, शी इज़ जस्ट फ्लॉलेस। शी इज़ अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ holistic health and how to maintain your inner organs like a 19 years old. So I'm just celebrating that.
Hi, my name is Upasna. I'm Lucy's friend. I've known Lucy since 2016. Our boys are together in school. She's the warmest and the kindest person I've known. As soon as my son entered the school and he befriended her son, who carries exactly the same emotions as Lucy, they're very warm-hearted and very kind people, and Lucy has always been the most welcoming and warm person that I've ever known. I wish her the warmest 50th that she could have. She's an inspiration in terms of fitness. She's an inspiration in terms of how much she loves her children, I love her very much. I wish her the best of life and best of health, and I love her very much. So happy birthday, Lucy.
Hi, I'm Nadir. I can't believe it's 50 years for Lucinda. She has been a good friend. She's been a gym buddy for me. So we did some shoots together in the gym. It's always fun with her. God bless her.
Hi guys, I'm Gaurav. I'm at Lucy's birthday party. She's a friend. She's turned 50 today and she's like an amazing person. She's a fitness enthusiast and we are gym buddies. So yeah, we should learn a lot of things from Lucy.
Hi, today I'm here for Lucy's birthday. So I'm Radhika Maan. I'm an interior designer and I run a company by the name of Bursch. And we are into interiors. We do corporate, hospitality and commercial interior designing, and we do complete turnkey projects. I'm so blessed to have Lucy as my friend, me and my husband's friend in fact. She's such a fitness enthusiast and a big motivation to every person around. It's a treat to see how her body moves, and more than that, she's a great human being, and I love to be around her. She's very positive. Her vibes are very positive, and today we are here to celebrate her 50th birthday and wish her good luck with good health and a lot of prosperity for this special day. Thanks.
मैं शीमा जोशी, अशीम मेरे फर्स्ट कज़न है और अशीम की वाइफ नेचुरली लुसिंडा, वो हमारी फैमिली की मेंबर है। तो मैं अप्रिशिएट करूँगी लुसिंडा को कि जब से ये हमारी फैमिली को इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है, रादर शी इज़ फ्रॉम वियतनाम, और इंडियन कल्चर को इन्होंने इतनी अच्छी तरह से अडेप्ट किया और इवन अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन लाइक अपने बच्चों में भी उसको पूरा उनको इसके रंग में रंग दिया। तो मैं आज इनके 50th बर्थडे पे बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, और बहुत ही ग्रेसफुल है, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से, जैसे भगवान ने इनको बहुत अच्छा जो है तन मन दिया है उसको उसी तरह संभाल के रखा है। भगवान भी नहीं अप्रिशिएट कर रहा होगा इस टाइम, तो मैं इनको शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ कि इसी तरह ये ब्राइट रहे, खिलती रहे, हमारे जो है रिश्तों को मजबूत करती रहे। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं लूसी को।
Happy birthday, Lucy. Love you. You're a real life inspiration for me and all the women out there. I really look up to you. Wish you lots of love and happiness. Happy birthday once again.
Hello, hi, I'm Aditi and I wish Lucy a very happy birthday. She is an amazing human being and she's so sweet, so humble, and she doesn't look 50 at all. I'm so inspired by her. She's so fit and I would love to look like her when I'm 50. Thank you. Happy birthday.
गुड इवनिंग, मैं विनय सांगवान हूँ। मैं एक फिटनेस कोच और जिम ओनर हूँ। यहाँ पर हम आए हुए हैं लुसिंडा पार्टी मैम के 50th बर्थडे में। माई इक्वेशन विद मैम गो लॉन्ग बैक इन 2009-10 व्हेन शी यूज्ड टू कम टू अमात्रा एज अ मेंबर, और मैं वहाँ पे कोच था। तो हमारा इक्वेशन इतना पुराना है। बाकी उनके बारे में क्या कहें, एट 50 वो काफ़ी सारी एक्टिविटीज़ और एक्सरसाइज वो कर पाती हैं जो शायद 20 साल की लड़की भी नहीं कर सकती है, 20 साल के लड़के भी नहीं कर सकते। सो या आई मीन शी इज़ वन ऑफ द फिटेस्ट फीमेल्स आई हैव एवर कम अक्रॉस एट एनी एज। सो या थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर मैम। थैंक यू। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हेलो, मेरा नाम प्रीति है और मैं ग्लीन डिवा एकेडमी और मिसेस इंडिया प्लानिट की डायरेक्टर हूँ, और आज मैं लुसिंडा पार्टी की 50th एनिवर्सरी पे आई हूँ। आई रियली वांट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट हर बिकॉज़ वो हमारी मिसेस इंडिया प्लानिट की क्राउन होल्डर भी हैं, और काफ़ी उन्होंने अपने जर्नी के थ्रू इंस्पायर किया है। जिस तरीके से वो फिटनेस जर्नी पे परस्यू करती हैं और जिस तरीके की उनकी वीडियोज़ आती हैं, आई थिंक बहुत सारी महिलाओं के लिए वो बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल है। तो आई रियली वांट टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कि वो ऐसे ही हम सबको इंस्पायर करती रहें। थैंक यू सो मच।